AI stealing the show, literally, and artists are fighting back. Meet ARK, a blockchain-powered app dropping summer 2025 to lock down your creative work from AI ripoffs. Upload a demo, claim your art, and flip the script. Ready to see how it's saving the human spark? Let's dive in. What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel. The ARK app hitting the scene this summer to shield artists from AI's sticky fingers. Co-built by screenwriter Ed Bennett-Coles and songwriter Jamie Hartman, this isn't just an app, it's a revolution. We're talking ownership from sketch to masterpiece, and it's trending hard. Let's unpack why ARK's got artists buzzing and how it's rewriting the rules. So, what's ARK all about? Picture this. Summer 2025, you're an artist, musician, writer, whatever, and AI's out there churning out content that sounds way too much like your vibe. Enter ARK, launching in July, built on blockchain tech to lock in your creative DNA. How? You upload a music demo, a script draft, any creative file, and boom, it's yours. Time-stamped, untouchable. This app's got next-level features: blockchain verification for a tamper-proof record, biometric security, think fingerprint-level proof, and built-in NDAs to keep collabs legit. X posts are lighting up. Finally, my work's safe, and it's no wonder. Bennett-Coles and Hartman, industry vets, saw AI creeping into Hollywood and studios and said, "Not on our watch. ARK's here to say your art's yours, period." Now let's get why this is trending. AI is wild. Think songs mimicking Drake or scripts spitting out Tarantino vibes, all without credit. Artists are over it, and ARK is their shield. Unlike old school copyright that's all about the final cut, ARK flips that. Every step counts. That riff you jammed at 2 a.m. logged. That plot twist you scribbled, locked. Hartman's like, the process is the gold, and Bennett-Coles backs it. AI's not snagging our soul, he said. Partners can jump in too. Register their contributions, keep it fair. Ex-creators are hyped. This is our fight, they're saying. And with Clarida's Capital Cash and BMI's collab, ARK's got muscle. It's not just tech, it's a movement to reclaim what's human in a machine-run world. Let's geek out. Blockchain is the backbone here. It's like a digital vault. Once your work's in, it's on a ledger no one can hack. Upload a demo, biometrics tag it to you. Your voice, your fingerprint, your claim. NDAs mean your producer can't leak it, and collaborators get their slice track too. Ex-early testers are like, setup's a breeze. Uploaded my beat, it's mine forever. The vibe? ARK's not here for the polished MP3, it's for the messy, brilliant journey. Bennett-Coles saw AI write a script in 08 and freaked. Hartman's watched AI clone voices. They've teamed up to say, enough. Summer 2025's the drop. Think July. And with BMI hooking up artists, this could be the creative lifeline we need. So, what's the takeaway? ARK lands summer 2025, and it's a creator's power move. AI isn't slowing down. Think Midjourney art or ChatGPT scripts, but ARK's your armor. Register your work, protect the process, and prove it's yours if some bot tries to swipe it. X-Chatter's going wild. People are saying this could save their career. And with Clarida's and BMI in the mix, it's legit. For artists, it's a chance to revalue the grind. The late nights, the rough cuts, not just the shiny endgame. July's coming fast. Will ARK spark a creative uprising? Bet on it. Are you hyped for ARK or skeptical of the blockchain buzz? Drop your take in the comments.